Well, I came in on the bridge tonight, and here's our first train. Sitting there parked. There he goes. And he's gone. So, yeah, he's not gonna come this way, I don't think. Actually, I don't know which way he's going. He's going that way, I can't tell. That's an optical illusion and a half right there. Let's see, which way he's going? I think he is going this way. I don't know. Nah. That is a heck of an illusion. It looks like it's parked or we can tell which way it's going. I think it is coming my way. Yeah, it is coming my way. Look at that. Oh, I tell you, we got luck here. Oh yeah, full throttle. It's like a pair of ACs. So, oh, is that luck? No, that's what I'm talking about here. Yep. Let me tell you what, I'm gonna neglect this up. So here comes our first train of the day. So, oh yeah, got full throttle coming. Yep, good to go. So, look at that, first train of the day. Oh yeah. So, yep. There we go. Here's the first train of the day right here. Okay, yep. Okay, well, as I come up on the bridge, I see just how massive this is. It's about 2.5 miles of train right there, the whole way up and down. I mean, that is nuts looking at it from that perspective. How much I changed the landscape? I mean, that's nuts. I see heat down there, I think. Oh yeah, we got some help coming this way. Oh yeah, here comes Bush. Hey, Michael just rolled by down there. Michael just went by in his work. Alright. Oh, they're gonna be roaring. Wait, here. Hold that camera tightly there. You good to go? No, nobody in the engine. Oh yeah. I'm not sure why they use ACU for all the helpers. See the 3-tier radiator on that thing. I mean, that's nuts. That's a former SC-80 Max is what that is. Yeah, it's Ryan Q's second train, less than 5 minutes away. Less than 5 minutes later. Wow, we had enough selfies for today. Use camera 2 for filming, camera 1 for pictures. So, here comes train 2. You honk at me? Thank you. Say, yep. This one was right behind him parked, so. I don't want them filming here because we seen containers. So. Alright, there's the end right there. Yeah, that was. Thermo King. And there's the end. I tell you, that really is a scary noise on a train comes tearing up the straightaway. You hear that? That's what a tornado sounds like. Man. So you see a yellow come around that round, you think it's like a CSX or something. 1, 2, 3. It's like we got 34A, I believe. Let's see. Yep. See that Wabash Heritage unit? That's deep view? Nice. Too bad I missed my selfie. Look at that Wabash Heritage unit. Nice. Oh yeah, you're rolling good. Yep. Yep, there he is. There he is. There he is. No, that's Norfolk Southern. train on there, he was told to wait at CP trough and go dark, which means shut the train down, turn the headlight off, and just sit there till the green signal comes. And you can hear him in the distance, he's coming this way. And Amtrak should be here momentarily. Here at train distance. He just started up again, so he got his green signal and he's coming this way. But we have to keep an eye out for Amtrak, because Amtrak should be here momentarily, because I already heard him on the radio. He is close. I have no idea what this train is. It's just already sitting in the CB trough and he's told to go dark. He's got his green signal a minute ago. There's his headlight coming around the bend. He is pulling hard. Keep an eye behind you. I have no idea if he's on 1 or 2. My guess is he's going to be track 2. To let Amtrak by. Here he comes. Oh, he's creeping. Yeah, he's creeping. He's on main 1. So you gotta look for your truck behind you. He's be under full throttle. Good. Keep an eye out for Amtrak. So, look back at her. Have a good day. He is bogged down. He's coming hard. Oh yeah, the locomotives run hard. It's gonna be loud. I tell you, let's keep the camera here. If there's helpers on the end, I'll do a selfie video. He is going hard. Still clear behind. So, freaking arm's getting sore. Here he comes. Nope, not yet. Just gonna switch to the other side when he goes by. Yeah, he's got containers. Tell you what, he's bogged down pretty good. No Amtrak. Nope. Yeah, it might be auto rocks. I cannot tell what that is. Yeah, I cannot tell what that is at all. It's too hard to see. See, here he comes. Yeah, he's got auto rocks. This is 21J. Yeah, second unit's not even running. He's empty. That car leaned up further than the other ones. Jeez. 21J. There's the end on there already. Alright, let's wait for Amtrak. That graffiti is big as the whole side of the car. Oh, jeez. Yeah, the second unit wasn't even running. Oh, I tell you, look at these articulated cars. Look at that. Here it comes. That articulated car there, that's sweet. Wow, what's that? Wow, it's a stereo system. That's an articulated car, so yeah. Let's see, gonna push it again? Nah, that's what I need. And I don't need those. Those are auto rocks, they ain't heavy. Freaking stereo. He ain't yeah, there's no headlight on the side yet. They're back there. Have a safe 121J. Anderson. Ciao. Track you on. See some main two. Yep. Here it comes. Let's see. That is not freaking Amtrak, I don't think. Let's see. No, that is not Amtrak. So, yep. That is 23M. The sun went down, I feel that chill in the air. Now this is a feel of Pennsylvania that brings back memories. Has the same smell and feel that it did when I was a kid. You feel the moisture and the cool coming in. Fall's coming. I mean, this feeling right here means summer's over. Yep, that's him. Getting the horns time of night. Let's yeah, he's going slow. Let's say, yep. Have a good one. See ya. 119, look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's that green of good aesthetic. Oh, yeah. Have a safe one. Oh, is that green beautiful in the dark? I tell you what. That is beautiful. Look at that. Is that beautiful in the dark? It's like Christmas time, and look at that. Alright, I have to head uphill. It's like dark out here now. Have a safe one there, 070. This will be the last train for the night, I promise. At least you got a street light down here. Needs me too. Hey, well, that's a picture there, dude. Behind. That's kind of an aesthetic glare in there. Logos, so I don't know how long it's going to be. See a computer on there. Ain't nothing on behind. Nothing on behind. Good. Because I crashed. When I was coming down here today, both of my shoes came untied. They wrapped around the pedals, and I almost went head first in the street down there. My hand's getting sore. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at that. 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Car behind me. It's like, what the fuck is that? Oh, good. Yeah, 30, that was a 64. You just don't know how much more trains are going to come out of the darkness there. Can't hear the fucking train. It's really ground shaking over the flex one went by. Man, that's a lot of trailers. Well, somebody said all these carriages never end in one of my videos. So.